hello, hello. 안녕하세요, 안녕하세요. Hello, hello. 안녕하세요. Let's start a new day. Let's greet each other bright as sunshine. Let's start. 안녕하세요, 반가워요. Hello, nice to meet you. 안녕하세요, 반가워요. Hello, nice to meet you. 잘 지냈어요? How have you been? 네, 잘 지내셔요. 고마워요. Yes, I've been well, thank you. Let's start a new day. Let's start with one word. Let's start. 안녕하세요, 반가워요. Hello, nice to meet you. 잘 지냈어요? How have you been? When you have a good time to live, say hello with one word. Let's get started. 안녕히 계세요. Stay well. 안녕히 가세요. Go well. Goodbye. 만나서 반가워세요. It was nice to meet you. 우리 또 만나요. Let's meet again. Everyone, let's try together. Don't forget how to greet. Smile and be cheerful. Let's start. 안녕하세요, 반가워요. Hello, nice to meet you. 안녕하세요, 반가워요. Hello, nice to meet you. 잘 지냈어요? How have you been? 네, 잘 지냈어요.